Hey everyone, it's Lauren with Bad Asset, and today I'm going to teach you how to make a shirt or whatever garment you want with some vinyl and the Cricut Explorer one, and you'll need a computer as well to do your design. Let's check it out. First, make sure that your Cricut is plugged into the wall and also into your computer. It'll be coming out of there. I'm going to turn it on and open it. And since we're doing vinyl today, you're gonna have this knob right here turned to vinyl right there. I'm going to put the shiny side down, not this side. They're both kind of shiny, but the real shiny side, that's gonna go face down. You want to line up as closely as you can to being I've cut this one, so it's not perfect. Most Cricut Explorer one comes with one of these, but it's actually a 12 by 12. I bought a couple extra ones just because you'll need to end up buying some more than just the original one. But so that's important to remember whenever we create our design, because we'll have to put that on there. But yeah, so you just take this and you got to put it into the machine. Hitting that button feeds it into it a little bit and holds on to it. Now it's time to work on the design. Cricut comes with actually a program that you can use. It's called Cricut Design Space, and it'll tell you on there how to get to it. But it's design.cricut.com, and so I'll go through that process with you on how to actually get the design printed on the vinyl. Alright, when you get your computer open and you plug it into the Cricut, we will open up our internet and go to, if you already installed Cricut, you can just click this. Should take you straight to the thing. Well, it's not doing it, but okay. So we go to design.cricut.com, and it should take you to, let's see. Well, it's Cricut Design Space is what it's called. So we'll go to that. We'll start from there. Click here. Let's do a new project. It's gonna come up like this. This is like the layout, kind of like the mat that your vinyl is actually stuck to. So it's nice. It's got your measurements here, which is perfect. And let's see. I'm just gonna do a text design. Asset, which is my brand. And right here you can go through and you can change the fonts. I just go to the ones that are actually on the system on my computer, and because some of them are like you have to pay for them or something. Yeah, so $4.99. I'm gonna do that. So just click on the ones that are already on your computer, and you can play with them or whatever. One that I like to do, I like to change it up, but the one I'm gonna do today is, I can type it right here. Right here, this one. Type it in there, you can just search through them. And you want to bring your design up. You want to get it to as close as you can to the beginning of the side and the top. And well, I'll show you something, okay? So when you make it bigger like this, if you're trying to change the size of your design, if you want to, it stays in the X and the Y coordinates will actually stay, and it'll get bigger all around, but you can actually unlock that, so in case you want to just make it longer or only wider or something of that sort. So you can kind of just play with it like that, whatever your preference is. And let's see, once you get your design in place, you just want to make sure that it doesn't go past however big your this thing only does 12 inches across, so you make sure it's not past that. And you also want to make sure that it's not, if you only have a 12-inch length as well, make sure it doesn't go past here. But the one I've got can actually go down to 24. So All right, let me see if I like this. Looks pretty good. All right, so now you hit make it. And actually I was trying to show you to do something that would show you an error. Cancel. Okay. So sometimes if you accidentally like have it too far up or too far over and you hit make it, it'll show, I guess it automatically fixes for me, but this won't show up at all. You can't see your letters if you do that, and which means that you just need to go back and adjust this a little bit and lower it or move it over a little bit just to make sure that you're not let's see if I can do it. I don't know if it's automatically fixing it. Okay, well that's good, I guess. Let's make sure. Make a little bit bigger. And make it. Alright, something super important that you have to make sure that you do, well, is mirror it. You have to mirror it. Make sure that you mirror it, because when you put it on a shirt or whatever, that's how you're going to do it, like that. It's going to be flipped upside or inside out pretty much, or backwards, I guess. And then mine is, like I said, 12 by 24. So once you've got this ready to go, see. Hit continue. Just set the material, which means this. And now see how the thing is flashing? That means it's ready to actually hit that. And this will say that it'll be on number 3 right there, ready to go. So we will press go. Alright, when it's done, this thing will flash, letting you know that you can push that and it'll release this. So like that. We will peel this off. Got some nails, you get them under there. Alright, next you want to, after you pull off the vinyl from the sticky mat, before you actually peel it apart, you want to cut out your design, because you want to save as much vinyl as you can, because vinyl is not the cheapest thing in the world. So yeah, you want to just make sure that you conserve that. So I just cut it out. You can see the design on there. And now you have to actually peel these apart from each other, which is super difficult because you have to pick at the end sometimes, but I actually found a little trick. This handy dandy tool that actually comes with Cricut is what you'll pull it up with. But at the end of your design, what you can do, like right here, there's a spot that's like, see, above the T right here. I'm going to use this end right here that has not been used at all. It's no design right there. I'm just going to dig into that with this thing, and it pulls up the end, just like that. Boom, and just peel it apart like that. It's the easiest way I found peeling these things apart. Then if, like my letters, I have some that were, you know, like the A and stuff and the E. See, they've got the in between right there, like the little things you have to get out. And that's what this tool is helpful for. So it might be easier to set this down, but just peel those out like that. See, boom. So do that to all the parts of your design that are not meant to show, that you need to get out. And then we will have the entire design on a piece of clear translucent paper just like this, or transparent paper just like this. And then they'll be ready to put onto your garment with either a heat press or an iron, and I'm going to show you how to do it with a heat press. So check out the next video for that. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I will have many more tutorials on how to design many different things, how to create your own brand and t-shirts and any kind of graphic stuff, videos, all kinds of stuff coming very soon. So stay tuned.